But senior citizen Kumasi Asante Kotoko for the second time in a row. I recorded 2 victories, yes, but unfortunately, friendly games. Obi beka say wins where you hear the league games num. Obi kai the other time Kotoko share cornerstones and then so Kotoko I say King Faisal the Splash Adako JACHIE training complex. A friendly game no a call so game no a ball 7:30 and a chance here but winning Ghana man time a delay kakra nti started around 10 started around 8 o'clock a.m. And I had share so in a game no to say me report to show na game way more players ebebobi the peripherals players are omo nchenche omo ntanya bibono omo na ogum ede omo boy and I was more changes ma obia enya bi boy at the end of the 90 minutes no Kotoko ehye baako and King Faisal entimi ante yes this time around player your friend no Isaac upon name and the two atana name Kumasi Asante Kotoko obekai the other friendly game about so no which was against Cornerstones no a friend Mfege umba and two atana Kumasi Asante Kotoko but and net there no ekoye Isaac upon name I should go the next is the fitness level no aba what you go in a friendly day and let's say hope say game against Bechem United you be who Isaac upon Neymar fully featured and fully strong for Kumasi Asante Kotoko 2 friendly games are Kotoko abenyina yenya wins is a positive light for our preparation towards Bechem United next weekend and as I game never so me tete say one ha you be born on Saturday. That's the information may gather that's on Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now unim say Kumasi Asante Kotoko Karim Zito a former player and a former coach of Asante Kotoko. Karim Zito senior citizens are more the munim Karim Zito pan one of the veterans coaches Ghana. Na unim say Karim Zito currently on a coach team my friend Dreams FC or the Dreams FC abo Africa no akọ the quarterfinals of the CAF African Cup no a confederation no and Kumasi Asante Kotoko sending message way ama no say omo wishing you all the best in your CAF Confederation quarter final game. The Porcupine Warriors are behind you. So Karim Zito China, which is Sunday about 5 or start the Malian first leg of the quarterfinal between Dreams FC and start the Malian no Ekoso ewo Bamako. Nyame adoma the following week and second round no ebeba so ewo Ghana. Hopefully be baba yara. We wish the team all the best.